So coming to the closed loop speed control scheme for armature voltage control and field weakening control. This is the block diagram. Okay, the basic approach of the closed loop control. Okay, is so by using a previous block diagram. So this concept is based on previous concept. Okay, previous lecture. Okay, the drivers implies a same way. This is called this drives implies a current control loop. Understood? Current control firing circuit. This is called same as current control levels. No? The drive implies a implies inner current control loop and outer speed loop and outer speed loop. That's like this. Understood? Inner current control loop. So inner current control loop. So this is called inner current control loop. Understood? So this current inner current control loop. And with the outer speed loop. This is called outer speed loop. The drive implies a inner current control loop and outer speed loop. Okay, such a drive will operate at constant field current and variable armature voltage is known as below base speed. Okay, so below rated speed and above rated speed. There are two concepts here. The two concepts we have to discuss here: below rated speed condition and above rated speed condition. So below rated speed, you know well. So what is that armature voltage control method? Armature voltage control method is below rated speed applications. Okay, field control method above base speed, above rated speed applications, field control mechanism. Okay, you know well the field control mechanism means so you know well that is formula. So N is equal to EB by pi. Okay, the flux is inversely proportional to the speed. Okay, the weakening control, flux weakening control means above base speed. So because of if the flux current field current is decreasing, this flux decreasing and speed is increasing. Okay, so why? Because of the field can be controlled at lower within the limits. That means to the field current is within the limits. Then only the flux is on our hand. That means the poles of the DC machine is not going to saturate. Okay, that's why the field current must be. So that means the current is the flux must be less. N is equal to EB by pi. Then only speed will be above. That's why the speed control, flux weakening control method is suitable for above rated speed. Because of if you are increasing this field winding current, that means field poles are going to saturate. So okay, that's why this below base speed cannot be controlled by using field control method. That's why armature voltage control for below rated speed and field control method for above rated speed. Understood? By using field control technique, is possible only above rated speed. Okay, so there is N is inversely proportional to the flux. Then flux is decreasing. That's called field current is decreasing. Then when the speed is increasing, is that above rated speed can be controlled by using field control techniques, and below rated speed can be controlled by using armature voltage control method. Okay, understood? This drive operates constant field current and variable armature voltage below base speed. Below the base speed is known as understood. Okay, and the constant armature voltage and variable current. Constant armature voltage, variable current above the base speed. Above the base speed is nothing but constant armature voltage and variable field current. This is called above the base speed. Both armature and field are therefore fed from the supply fully controlled rectifiers. Here, fully controlled rectifiers are used. Understood? Both armature and field, both armature. This is called armature voltage control method. So here field, both armature and field are fed from fully controlled rectifiers. Okay, this field winding is fed from the fully controlled rectifier. This armature is also fed from the fully controlled rectifier. Understood? So first, let us examine the operation for this closed loop. Let us examine the operation below base speed. Understood? Let us examine the operation below base speed. In the field control loop, in this field control loop, back EMF E, back EMF in this field control loop, back EMF E compared with the reference E star. This is called reference EMF. This is called back EMF. Understood? The back EMF E is compared with the reference voltage E star. This is called reference voltage, and omega m star called reference speed. Okay, the back EMF E, actual EMF, the motor, it's called back EMF E is equal to V minus IA into RA. Here E is equal to, this is E is nothing but here V positive, V minus IA into RA. The back EMF E and compared with the references EMF E star, which is chosen to be between the 85% to 95% of the rated armature voltage. Okay, which is chosen to be between the 85 to 95% of the rated armature voltage. Understood? So first here, so we are considering a below base speed. So below base speed means armature, that's called field current is constant. Field current is constant. Thus N is equal to EB by pi. So EB is nothing but V minus RA by changing the armature voltage. Okay, and armature current. So the speed of the motor can be controlled. Okay, so by maintaining the field current is constant. N is equal to EB by pi. So here, so field current, so we have to maintain constant. How means? So here, so back EMF E and reference voltage, reference back EMF is called E star. Okay, which is chosen to be between 85 to 95% of the rated armature voltage. 85 to 95% of the rated armature voltage. So here, for speed below base speed, for the speeds below base speed, the field controller saturates. Field controller, this field controller, for below base speed, the field controller saturates due to large volume of error. So that is means, so E star reference back EMF minus this back EMF. Okay, reference back EMF here positive, no? E star minus E. Reference back EMF and this actual back EMF. So because of this, this difference between this called 85%, 85% to 95%. So that's why because of large difference, so values of error. So E star minus E is become large. For example, this called E star is 220 volts and E is 100 volts. Okay, 220, 100. What is the difference between these two? 110 volts. Okay, because of this is called armature voltage control. So by changing the armature voltage control, you have to control the DC machine below base speed. So because of this large difference between these two, okay, the positive error, so that is called. So large volume of error takes place here. Okay, and here the so because of this large volume of error, the field controller saturates due to large volume of error, that is called ER. Understood? Because of large volume of error, this field controller saturates. Okay. Then the firing angle of the field converter, understood? Firing angle of this field converter, alpha F. So let us assume alpha F. Okay, firing angle of the field converter alpha F is maintained 0. Okay, alpha F is equal to 0. This is called fully controlled rectifier. This field winding is fed by field controlled rectifier. This first, so field controller alpha F is maintained 0. So applying rated voltage to the field winding. Okay. This ensures rated field current for the motor operation below rated speed, below base speed. Understood? So understood here. So what is the error? E star minus E. E is equal to V minus IA into RA. So we have to maintain the difference between this very high. So then there is a large difference between these two, E star and E. Okay. So reference back EMF and is actual back EMF. Because of this difference, the field controller saturate, and then so maximum value of current fed to the field winding through a how this the firing angle by maintaining firing angle of the field converter alpha f is equal to 0. So that means the rated field current for the motor operation below base speed. Rated field current for motor operation below base speed. Okay, understood. So this is the field control field here. So this is the scheme field control scheme here, and then coming to the speed. Any positive speed error caused. Okay, first we have to maintain the field current is maximum. Then after that, first any positive speed error, so omega m star and omega m. This is called reference speed, and this is called actual speed. Omega m star is greater than that of the this actual speed. So for this case, any positive error caused by either increased speed command, okay, increased speed command, or an increase in the load torque. Increase in the speed command or increasing the load torque produces a higher reference current I star. Understood? Any positive speed error, omega m star minus omega m is called any positive speed error caused by either increasing the speed command. Okay, increasing the speed command. So here there is an increase in the speed command or increase in the load torque on the motor. Okay, increase in the speed command or increase in the load command on the motor produces a higher current reference. Produces a higher current reference, that is called I star. We know well. I'm already explained. This current limiter is saturate and produces a higher current reference, that is called I star. Understood? The motor accelerate due to this. The motor accelerate due to an increase in I star. The motor accelerate due to the motor is an accelerate. Understood? Due to an increase in I star, that is called reference current. To control the speed error, this called speed error. To control the speed error, and finally settles a new I star. And finally settles a new reference current, that is called I star, which makes the motor torque is equal to the load torque, and the speed is in speed error close to 0. Understood this concept? First, this field of this DC motor is set to the maximum value. Field current is set to the maximum value. How means by maintaining the difference between back EMF and the reference speed is higher. Okay, so by increasing this, by maintaining the reference speed is higher, then the difference is called positive. So because of that, field controller is saturate. For large value of error, field controller is saturate, and then firing controller is set to the alpha. Firing angle of this firing controller set to be alpha f0, and then maximum value of field current set to for this motor. After that, so any positive error takes place here. Any positive error, so omega m star minus omega m. So reference speed is higher than that of the actual speed. For this case, any positive error caused by an increase in the speed command, okay, or increase in the load torque. Understood? An increase in the speed command or increase in the load torque produces a higher reference current I star. Understood? Produces a higher reference current I star. The motor accelerates due to an increase in the new I star. The motor accelerates due to an increasing I star. To correct the speed error, omega m star minus omega, finally settles a new current I star, which makes the motor torque is equal to the load torque and speed of this error close to 0. Okay, so for positive speed. Understood? Next, for any large positive speed error, the current limiter saturates. For any large positive speed error, the current limiter saturates, and the current reference I star is limited. Okay, So current limiter IA star is limited to a maximum value of armature current. Maximum value of armature current. The drive current is not allowed to exceed the maximum permissible value. The drive current is not exceed above the maximum permissible value. Understood? For any positive speed error, the current limiter saturates. The current reference IA star, the current limiter IA star limited to a maximum value of current, and drive current not allowed to exceed the maximum permissible value. Okay, drive current not allowed to exceed the maximum permissible value. Understood? So in this way, so we have to maintain the armature current. Okay, the speed error corrected at maximum permissible armature current. The speed error omega m star minus omega m is corrected at maximum permissible armature current until the speed error becomes small. Understood? The speed error is corrected maximal permissible armature current, okay, until the speed error becomes small and the current limiter comes to saturate. Okay, out of saturation. Okay, if the current limiter saturates, means the current is the limiting sets to new value. So how to desaturate the current limiter means the speed error corrected by maximal permissible armature current until the speed error becomes small and the current limiter comes out of saturation. The current limiter out of saturation. Now the speed error is corrected by with a new IA is less than the permissible value of armature current. Likewise, so this for positive speed error, this armature current can be controlled. So for negative speed error, so what happened? So it is under below base speed only. Armature voltage control method. Okay. For negative speed error, so that is called omega m is higher than that of the omega m star. That is otherwise omega m. This is called omega m star is less than that of the omega m. Reference speed is less than that of the actual speed. That causes the negative speed error. Okay. So this current limiter sets here. So current limiter for the difference between these two, because of that current limiter saturate and so what happened here? IA star sets to 0 for negative speed error. That means reference speed is less than that of the actual speed. This current IA star set at 0 because IA star is of no use when reference speed is increased again. Okay, making the speed error is positive and the charged, this is called charged by PI inner, there is a controller is there, program PI controller is there inside of this controller, the speed controller. The speed controller takes longer time to respond. Understood? So this way, this base speed below base speed can be controlled. Okay, this is called armature voltage control method. And then next, above rated speed. Let us now examine the operation above base speed. Two operations. So below base speed is nothing but armature voltage control. Above base speed is nothing but field weakening control method. So for this operation, so try to consider. Let us examine the operation above the base speed. Okay, above the base speed, and so when closer to the base speed, when you closer to the base speed and VA almost near the rated value, and field controller comes out of saturation. Understood? In this above rated speed, so E is equal to VA minus IA into RA. Am I right? So here, so when closer to the base speed, VA is almost near the rated value. This VA is almost rate near to the rated value, and the field controller, this field controller out of saturation. Because of this, so reference EMF and this EMFs are almost approximately equal. Because of that, so error is almost zero. Because of that, field controller is out of saturation. Out of saturation means for a speed command above base speed, the speed error has higher value of VA. Understood? So on this way. So when field controller is out of saturation means, okay, by using the firing angle, so we have to control the field of this DC machine. Okay, so the motor accelerates. We try to consider here. The motor accelerates. E increases. Motor accelerates. Motor accelerates. This is called E is equal to VA minus I into RA. Increases. Okay, field error. So E star minus E. That is called field error. Error ER decreases. Okay, reducing the field current. Because of that, reducing, so there is a reducing the field current. Thus the motor continues to decrease the. Thus the motor continues to decrease until the motor speed becomes equal to the reference speed. Understood? Thus the motor speed continues decrease until the motor speed becomes equal to the reference speed. Understood? Thus the speed control above base speed is obtained by field control with armature voltage maintained near the rated value. The armature voltage is maintained near the rated value. So this is about field control mechanism of DC machine below rated speed and above